Guys, this is ZIMPARKS. I'm back again with another video. Some of you guys may be saying, "Go school poster ni scholars of I need to keep up with my studies." Anyways, today we are talking about the ZIMPARKS, specifically the personnel that want to guide my ZIMPARKS. That's what we're talking about today. Like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, these are called wildlife game rangers. Inde wanoita basa rakanaka munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Vanoita zveku protecta kune atinoti ma anti poaching activities muma game parks yedu yemuZimbabwe. Examples are Manapos, Wangwe National Park, and the list goes on. So guys, they require a training yakanyatso simba chaiche, because imagine facing mhuka yakaita an elephant ma lions. So they need to train very hard in order to fight ma animals anenge agomisbehave and poachers. Okay, before taona training yao kuti training yao chine nyimbonyatsoitwa timbotaisei is most of our videos. Uniform, personal uniform. Indoona uniform yao yakanaka because it varies due to my different game parks, especially your green yakanaka. But I told my soldier because they receive the same training. I think it's 6 months or so. Exactly. I told my soldier. So overall, the uniform, I like it. I know going to fura a video that I my police. I think this one deserves an 8.5. Yeah. Talking about training. Zimbabwe Wildlife Authority of Zimbabwe, provide training as an employment. Kuma game rangers kuti vazokwanisa to carry out the job. Then pane yatinoti iyo akashinga women game rangers. I think our organization can provide that training for the women, especially I think paseri rakanyanyowanda the females though. I think so, but ndo wakati one day according to my research. Let's appreciate these guys for protecting and doing a great job for the game parks. You see guys, the beauty of the ZIMPARKS game rangers. They have to protect the animals from poachers, and I think they are doing a great job because mukataisa nyika dzakaita na South Africa vakutosvika pakutocheka vega mahorns rhinoceros elephants just to protect them from poachers vanenge vada kuzoshandisa kunoita sell out kunyika dzakaita sana China chichi vachinoona mari maona maji. Asi muno I don't think zviri kuitwa just because they are very protective of our wildlife so that the country can gain enough income. You feel me? So guys, we need to appreciate these guys. They're doing a great job for the country. So like and subscribe. Get your boy to 500 subscribers. Ngatimbone zvedu dance. Peace.